What's up guys, in this video I want to show you how to get 3000 token on your Blooket account. Just follow this video step by step to receive the reward. As you can see, now I have 10 tokens in my Blooket account. For collect this reward you need your username. My username is Royal King, remember this. Open a new tab and here I searching www.go token pro. Remember this website. I searching, as you can see, token events offer 3000 token. Blooket username, here I enter my Blooket username, Royal King. I press generate. Generating is running, don't close or refresh the page. Now I wait to loading this page. As you can see, this is website status online, last days, online users. This is recent activity. This website is work on any device, Android, iOS, computer. As you can see, Android. Now I use my computer, but you can use your phone. Here it's people vote. You can vote yes or no. This is people comments. As you can see, very much positive comments. How doesn't this event work? For complete one of our partners review, granted one time 3000 coins. As you can see, generating resource, it's almost down guys. 99. Success. Royal King is connected, resource is ready, transfer to user now. I wait to transfer. We don't like a robot. Please verify that you're a human. Click the verify button below and follow the instruction. Verify now. Human verification request. Verify survey. Complete the request below and Blooket token will be automatically sent in your account. Okay, good. You need to complete one of this survey. As you can see, I select first survey. You need to follow this instruction. It's loading. I need to send a CMC on this number with this text. Now I put the video on pause because I can send the CMC and record it at the same time, but I'll be back guys. Good guys, I send the CMC. As you can see, I send the CMC on this number now. I finished this survey. I want to check. I enter on Blooket here in human verification page, and as you can see, it's finished. Now you can close all tabs. As you can see, I close all tabs. And in my Blooket page, I received the notification, congratulations, you won 3000 token. I press this button, climb, and now in my Blooket page, I have 3000 token and 10 tokens in my Blooket account. As you can see, this is my username, Royal King. It's very easy, guys. Now I buy a package, as you can see. Yes, as you can see, it's working. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like this video and share this video with your friend. I'll be see you in the next video guys. Bye bye.